Managing crypto taxes in 2025 can feel overwhelming. With trading, staking, NFTs, DeFi activity, and more, keeping track of all your taxable events manually is almost impossible. That's why crypto tax tools have become essential for both beginners and experienced investors. These tools make it easy to import your transactions, calculate gains and losses, and generate reports ready to submit to tax authorities. In this video, we'll go through the top 7 crypto tax tools you should consider using in 2025 and explain which types of investors they are best suited for. First on the list is Koinly, one of the most popular all-in-one crypto tax solutions. Koinly supports over 800 exchanges, wallets, and blockchains, making it highly flexible no matter how diverse your portfolio is. Whether you trade on a major exchange, hold crypto in multiple wallets, or participate in DeFi protocols, Koinly can import all your data automatically. It identifies taxable events, calculates your gains and losses, and even handles staking rewards, liquidity pool income, and NFTs. This makes it a great option for both beginners and advanced investors. Koinly supports global tax jurisdictions, generates standard IRS forms such as Form 8949, and helps with tax loss harvesting, which can offset gains to reduce your tax liability. It also offers a free plan for casual users and affordable paid plans starting around $49 per year. For extremely high-volume traders or users with complex DeFi setups, some manual tagging may be necessary, but Koinly remains one of the easiest tools to use overall. Next is CoinLedger, a tool designed to make crypto tax filing simple, especially for US-based investors. CoinLedger automatically generates IRS forms like 8949 and Schedule D, making it easy to submit your taxes accurately. It also supports DEFI income, staking rewards, and NFTs, so you don't have to manually track every transaction. CoinLedger is particularly helpful for US investors who want a straightforward, reliable reporting solution. It allows easy import from multiple exchanges and wallets, provides unlimited revisions to reports, and offers transparent pricing based on your transaction count, starting at $49 for up to 100 transactions. The only limitation is that it is mostly focused on US tax forms, so investors filing in other countries may need to verify compatibility. CoinTracker is another excellent option for investors who want both portfolio tracking and tax reporting in a single tool. CoinTracker helps you monitor your overall crypto holdings, track unrealized gains and losses, and generate tax reports quickly. It integrates with over 500 exchanges and wallets, supports DeFi protocols, and even tracks smart contract activity. For those who want to see how their portfolio changes over time while staying compliant, CoinTracker is ideal. It also offers tax loss harvesting tools for paid plans, which can help reduce tax liabilities. The platform has a free tier for small portfolios, while paid plans are available for more complex situations. Beginners can benefit from its simplicity, while experienced traders may need to double-check complex transactions for full accuracy. TokenTax is a powerful option for more advanced users. Unlike basic tools, TokenTax provides professional-level services, including CPA support for filing and reviewing your crypto taxes. It is ideal for investors with complex situations such as cross-chain trading, DeFi activity, and NFT portfolios. TokenTax supports over 120 exchanges and wallets, generates detailed reports for multiple countries, and allows you to track your tax liability in real time. For investors who want complete accuracy and professional guidance, TokenTax is excellent. Pricing starts at $65 per year for up to 500 transactions. More with higher tier plans available for high-volume traders or users who need full-service support. While more expensive than other tools, it is worth it for anyone dealing with complex tax scenarios. ZenLedger is tailored for active traders who deal with high volumes, DeFi activity, NFTs, or margin trading. It provides audit trail reports and CPA support, making it perfect for investors who want to be fully prepared for potential audits. ZenLedger supports staking, liquidity pool rewards, and NFT income, and it also offers tax loss harvesting tools to reduce your tax liability. There is a free plan for beginners with a limited number of transactions, and paid plans scale with transaction volume. Some beginners may find the platform slightly technical, but for traders with complex portfolios, ZenLedger is highly reliable. CryptoTaxCalculator is built for power users who need a very flexible tool. It's free with higher tier plans available for high-volume traders or users who need full-service support. While more expensive than other tools, it is worth it for anyone dealing with complex tax scenarios. ZenLedger is tailored for active traders who deal with high volumes, DeFi activity, NFTs, or margin trading. It provides audit trail reports and CPA support, making it perfect for investors who want to be fully prepared for potential audits. ZenLedger supports staking, liquidity pool rewards, and NFT income, and it also offers tax loss harvesting tools to reduce your tax liability. There is a free plan for beginners with a limited number of transactions, and paid plans scale with transaction volume. Some beginners may find the platform slightly technical, but for traders with complex portfolios, ZenLedger is highly reliable. CryptoTaxCalculator is built for power users who need a very flexible tool. It supports thousands of exchanges, wallets, and DeFi protocols, making it ideal for investors with complex portfolios. This tool handles staking, bridging, NFTs, and other advanced crypto operations. It also includes tax optimization features that help identify times to sell or realize losses to minimize your taxes, calculate gains and losses, and generate reports in the correct format for your tax jurisdiction. This is especially valuable in 2025 as crypto adoption grows and tax authorities increase their focus on digital assets. With proper tools, you can avoid mistakes, prevent penalties, and keep your crypto portfolio organized year-round. For beginners, starting with a simple tool like Koinly or CoinLedger can make crypto taxes much less intimidating. As your portfolio grows and your activity becomes more complex, moving to TokenTax, ZenLedger, or CryptoTaxCalculator will give you the advanced features and reporting capabilities you need. Kryptos is ideal for professional or enterprise-level users who require extensive coverage and custom integrations. The key is to find a tool that fits your current activity while allowing room to scale as your crypto journey grows. One of the biggest advantages of using a crypto tax tool is that it helps prevent surprises during tax season. This proactive approach is much safer and less stressful than waiting until the last minute to calculate everything manually. In conclusion, managing crypto taxes doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. In 2025, tools like Koinly, CoinLedger, CoinTracker, TokenTax, ZenLedger, CryptoTaxCalculator, and Kryptos provide options for every type of investor. From beginners with a few trades to advanced users with DeFi and NFT exposure, there is a tool that can help simplify the process, save time, and ensure compliance. By choosing the right tool for your needs, you can stay organized, minimize tax liability, and approach crypto investing with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment with which crypto tax tool you're planning to try, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto guides and tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss updates about the latest tools, strategies, and crypto news. Managing taxes doesn't have to be stressful. With the right tool, you can stay informed, prepared, and confident in your crypto journey.